Most AI UGC looks like a glitchy fever dream. The face changes every scene. The voice sounds like a robot, and it's not consistent. And your customers? They scroll right past it. But what if you could lock an AI influencer to your brand? Perfect character consistency, studio-grade human voice, and a 100% iPhone shot aesthetic, all generated in under 10 minutes for less than $9 per video. I'm breaking down the infinity method. I'll show you how to use the brand new Veo 3.1 and Nano Banana 2 models inside SodaMarketing AI to build a high-converting UGC ad from a blank screen. No actors, no cameras, and zero character glitches. If you're an agency owner, a Shopify brand, or a freelancer looking to dominate social ads in 2026, you cannot afford to miss this workflow. I've put my private prompt doc and links to all tool in the description so you can follow along. All right, step 1. We're heading over to SodaMarketing AI. This is the command center where we bridge the gap between a brand and high-converting video ads. The first thing you'll notice is this ad brand section. This is crucial. Most AI tools just give you a random person. We want a brand identity. You can paste your Shopify link or your client's website here. As an example, I will paste Amazon.com. It fetched the logo and the brand vibe instantly. If you're working with a new brand that isn't live yet, or if the AI didn't fetch the brand info for any reason, don't panic. Just click this option to add the brand information manually and feed it your brand story. Next step, we're using a product as our example, so I'll select Product Ad. Next, I'll simply copy the product link and paste it right here. In this example, I'm using an Amazon link, but of course, you can use your own Shopify store link as well. Now, if you prefer to add your product photos and info manually, or if the AI has any trouble fetching your data, just click this option here to upload everything yourself. Once you're ready, click Import. As you can see, the AI just fetched all the product details, including the images, directly from the link. Feel free to edit any of this information if you need to make changes. Now, all that's left is to click Train Product Model. Now, while the AI is training, it's essentially building a database of what your product actually looks like. It's analyzing the shape, the textures, and the selling points. This takes about 10 seconds. Now, here's where many people mess up. They try to go straight to video. Don't do that. You want to start with a photo shoot to lock in your influencer's face first. I'm choosing 9:16 because that's the TikTok and Instagram Reels gold standard. Now, I'm going to use a specific prompt from my prompt doc. You will find its link below in the description. Notice I didn't just say pretty girl. I'm being hyper-specific to ensure we get a professional UGC style result. I'm asking for a professional UGC style photo shoot to avoid that fake plastic look. And here we go. Look at it. It doesn't look like a CGI render. It looks like a high-end lifestyle photo shoot. This is the foundation of a viral ad. Now we have the face of our brand. Now we need her to speak. Most people write scripts that sound like a corporate manual, and that is an instant skip on social media. UGC needs to sound like a friend giving a recommendation over FaceTime. I'm using Gemini here because it understands the specific limits of the AI video models we're using. I'm telling it to act as an expert UGC strategist and write a high-converting 22-second script specifically divided into 3 distinct scenes. Look at how it broke this down. Scene 1 is the 8-second scroll stopper hook. Scene 2 is the 7-second why it works the benefit. And scene 3 is the 7-second call to action. This structure is perfect because it matches the generation limits of the video models inside Veo 3.1 perfectly. No wasted frames. Perfect. Now, copy that first line of the script. We're heading back to SodaMarketing AI. This is the magic button. When you click Convert to Video, SodaMarketing pulls in the Veo 3.1 preview model. This is the latest tech that allows for high-fidelity lip sync and 1080p upscaling right out of the gate. I will select the video duration to be 8 seconds, and we will be extending this later in the video. I will make sure that the model selected is the Veo 3.1 preview. Don't select the fast generation if you want the real perfect quality and accuracy for your video. Look at what I'm doing here. I'm not just asking for a video. I'm defining the voice profile and the audio quality. I'm telling the AI I want a clean, dry, closed mic sound with zero reverb. Exactly like the quality you get from a high-end smartphone. That might sound like a small detail, but it's what kills that uncanny valley robotic look and gives it that raw, authentic UGC feel. See that?
Tired of cleansers that leave your face feeling like sandpaper? Stop stripping your skin and start hydrating while you wash.
Natural movement and perfect lip sync. That's the power of a professional prompt. Now, I know the audio still sounds a bit AI, but stick with me because we're going to fix that perfectly later in the video. Okay. So we have our hook. It looks great. She's talking, but 8 seconds isn't an ad. It's a teaser. We need to keep the momentum going. Instead of starting over, we use the extend video feature. This tells SodaMarketing, keep this exact person, this exact outfit, and this exact background, but give me the next scene. You can do this up to 16 times. That means you could technically create a 2-minute short film with the same character if you wanted to. But for UGC ads, the sweet spot is 20 to 30 seconds. Usually, 2 or 3 extends is all you need to create a high-converting masterpiece. We'll simply click Extend the Video, copy the Extend Video prompt from the doc, and paste here, and just add again the language and accent, then the second line of the script here. Notice what I'm doing here. I'm explicitly telling the AI to maintain 100% visual and vocal continuity. I'm prompting for the vocal timbre, frequency, and speech rate to be a 1:1 match to the first clip. This is the secret sauce to making an AI influencer sound like the same person across different scenes. Let's check out the generated video after the extend.
Tired of cleansers that leave your face feeling like sandpaper? Stop stripping your skin and start hydrating while you wash. This hyaluronic acid formula locks in moisture and melts away makeup without any harsh fragrance or irritation. It's pure bliss.
It's almost perfect, but if you listen closely, the voice is still a bit robotic and not exactly the same over the scenes. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to get a 100% natural and consistent voice. First, drag your video into CapCut or any other video editing tool. Click Export and just uncheck the video option here and check the audio MP3 option. We aren't here for fancy editing yet. We're here to extract the soul of the video. Now, we take that MP3 file to 11 Labs, and we're going to use the voice changer feature. I'm picking a voice that matches our influencer's vibe. The magic here is that 11 Labs preserves the inflection and pacing of the original AI generation, but swaps it out for a crystal clear, studio-grade human voice. Once you got the generated audio file, go back to CapCut, mute the original voice of the video, and just drag the generated audio here. Finally, the captions. 80% of people watch social media ads on mute. If you don't have captions, you're losing 80% of your money. And it's very easy to generate with CapCut. Just head over to Text, hit Auto Captions, and click Generate. Then just pick a simple, good-looking template for the generated caption. Listen to that.
Tired of cleansers that leave your face feeling like sandpaper? Stop stripping your skin and start hydrating while you wash.
Clear voice, perfect sync, and eye-catching captions. But wait, what if this ad is a winner and you need 10 more just like it with the same AI influencer? You don't want to start from scratch. Go to Brands, click Edit, and find Train Character. Upload that original photo shoot image we made at the start. Give her a name. Let's call her Jessica. Now, check the Use Brand Character box. By toggling this on, SodaMarketing locks in that specific identity. Whether you're generating a square Instagram post, a wide YouTube ad, or another vertical TikTok, from a fresh photo shoot or an existing static ad, the AI will consistently use Jessica's face every single time. But wait, there's much more you can do with SodaMarketing. For instance, if I want to generate static ads for this product, I'll just select Static Ads from the menu. I can choose my tone, size, and language. If I'm stuck for ideas, I just hit Generate and let the AI craft the perfect ad angle for me. If you have a specific vision, just open the advanced options and type in exactly what's on your mind. And of course, if you have that brand character box checked, SodaMarketing will ensure Jessica's face is the star of the ad. If not, the AI will generate a fresh look based on your prompt. I'll hit Generate, and there we go, a stunning, branded, high-converting static ad. Now, to get every size needed for all my placements, I just click Resize, pick my formats, and hit Generate again. Same ad, every dimension, in under a minute. You can even bridge the gap by converting these static ads into full-blown video ads using the same steps we covered earlier. And that is the exact blueprint to go from a product link to a hyper-realistic AI ad that actually converts. Remember, the secret isn't just the AI, it's the details in your prompting. Grab my full UGC prompt doc in the description, head over to SodaMarketing, and start building. If this saved you hours of glitchy AI headaches, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next AI marketing workflow. Thanks for watching.